So this is the 75 folder inserter. So it's, you got what's called a three station. So you got up to three A4 trays on it. You've got our envelope hopper. So this one here will put basically 10 sheets into up to 10 sheets into an envelope. So you can mix and match between all the different hoppers. So you can say have one from this station, two from this station, three from this stage. It will collate them together, put it into the envelope, seal it, and then it will shoot the envelope out the other side. So you can mix and match between. On this one you can have like one A4, three A4s, and then on this one you might want an A5 booklet, little kind of stapled booklet, or a little flyer, or you can put a return sender envelope in it, or you can have little postcards in it. It's quite versatile on this one. So for this job here, you can kind of get about a ream of paper in each hopper. 365 envelopes about them. So we've got C5 plus, which is slightly wider, just to give it a bit of movement when the bit of paper meets it in the middle. It's kind of a bit of guidance to help it go through, get into the envelope a bit better. So gummed envelope as well. The job that we're going to do just today, we're going to do one sheet from this feeder, one sheet from this feeder, and a little A5 little flyer. Pretty simple to use. So we use the wizard guide. So what we're going to do is press the wizard guide. It will it'll pull in one sheet, measure the paper, then it will know that it needs to go in a C5, and it will fold it in half and then put it into the envelope. So we're going to do the wizard guide. Touchscreen. So what we're going to do is go from an automatic job. So we're just going to press automatic, and then we're going to press a 1 times, and then so that will pull in the paper. It will measure the paper. It will measure the size of the envelope. So it will know that because it's a C5, it will know it will only have to have one fold in it, in a half fold. We'll take DL, it will do DL envelopes. If we want to put 3 folds in there as well, that will do that. So on here, we're going to do a 1 times. So you can see what we've got in here. So we've got our cover letter, a flyer, and then we've got a little A5 little flyer in there. So on the first one, it won't seal, just to make sure that all your documents are all right with it. On the screen, what it's asking you, it will say, is your mail piece correct? If you want to make any adjustments, etc., to the fold itself, so if you want it to come down or you want it to go up, you would press no. And then it says, is it inserted correctly? It is inserted correctly, so press yes. Is the address visible in the window? Then we would press no, and then we can make that adjustments, move it up, move it down, depending where we want that window. So we can make the adjustments, do another tester if we want to. We're happy on this one where it is, so we're just going to press 1 times. So we're happy with that. So once we're happy with the job, we can press OK. And then we can press start. So on the screen here, you can see what the actual job is. So you can see we're doing a 1 times envelope piece of paper from that one, 1 times piece of paper from that one, 1 times piece of paper from that one, from a 1/6 envelope into a half fold. You've got counters up here as well, so you can stop at if you wanted to, or it will just count up for what you want it to. When you want to save the job, because you can save up to 20 jobs on this one, you can just, if there's a regular job that you're using, you can just press save and it will save a job, saving you have to do that automatic setup at the beginning. So once we're happy, we can press start and I should go. So once you're happy with it, if you can run it, once all the feeders run out, it will stop automatically. So you can kind of press start, walk away, come back, and it will have stopped automatically once all the feeders have run out. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you just do want to do, say you want to do one sheet into an envelope, yep, so you can just say I want to do one sheet from this feeder, it will just put it into the envelope. What we can do as well, we can link the feeders as well, so we can stack, if you've got one sheet, we can stack them all up in all 3 feeders. When one runs out, it will just go on to the next one. The other one runs out, it will go on to the next one, and then you can fill the empty ones as you go along. You can feed it on the go as well with the envelopes in the paper. You can kind of feed it on the go as well. And there are options for additional envelope stackers if you want something of what's called a high capacity stacker. There is a option for the high capacity stacker as well, if you want to. Okay, perfect.